Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me teach you on how to attach an email to another email in Outlook. Let's start this tutorial by opening the Outlook app on your computer. Next, locate the email that you want to attach the other email, or you can also start a new email and do this. For example, let's just choose this email and open it. Now in here, find the reply button above and click it. Next, find in your inbox the email that you want to attach. Now simply click once and then drag and drop it into your reply window. Wait for it to finish attaching, and there you can see that the email has been attached. If you double click on it, it will show the entire separate email. That's basically it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.